We have always been told that black holes are the ultimate graveyard of the universe. Born from the violent deaths of stars 10 times larger than our sun. They are cosmic monsters that swallow planets, stars, and light itself. They belong to the deep, untamed cosmos. But what if the next black hole isn't born in deep space? What if it's born in a laboratory right here on Earth? Created not by nature, but by human hands. This isn't a sci-fi movie. This is a terrifying reality, allowed by the laws of physics. It is called a Kugelblitz, a black hole made entirely out of pure light. And according to theoretical models, humanity is closer to building one. To understand how you can build a monster out of nothing, we must look at the most famous equation in history, E equals mc squared. Albert Einstein proved that mass and energy are just two different states of the exact same thing. Mass can become energy, and energy can become mass. When a massive star dies, its gravity crams too much mass into a microscopic space. The mass becomes so dense that space-time rips open. That is a traditional black hole. But physicists realized there is a terrifying loophole in Einstein's math. Gravity doesn't care if the density comes from solid matter or from pure energy. If you can trap enough energy, specifically photons, the particles of light, into a point smaller than a subatomic particle, the energy itself will create a gravitational field so violent that it will warp space-time and create a black hole.
Why would humanity ever risk doing this? The answer is simple. The ultimate engine. Right now, our chemical rockets are too slow to leave our solar system. It would take 70,000 years to reach our nearest star, Alpha Centauri. But a Kugelblitz changes everything. Because it is so small and packed with energy, it would emit a massive amount of what scientists call Hawking radiation. A man-made black hole would act as a perfect, flawless nuclear reactor. It would convert 100% of any matter fed into it into pure, usable energy. By capturing this radiation, a starship could accelerate to nearly the speed of light. We could reach distant star systems in decades instead of millennia. A Kugelblitz could power the entire planet Earth for millions of years with zero pollution. It is the holy grail of technology. But holding a black hole in your hands is like holding a ticking time bomb.
Here is where the dream turns into a cosmic nightmare. Traditional black holes are stable because they are massive. But a microscopic, artificial black hole is incredibly volatile. If we fail to continuously feed it energy, it will evaporate. And it doesn't just disappear. In its final microsecond of life,
Kugelblitz will release all its remaining energy at once, resulting in a hyper-explosion equal to 1 billion hydrogen bombs. It would vaporize the continent it was built on. But what if it doesn't explode? What if we just lose control of its magnetic containment?
Because it is infinitely dense, a Kugelblitz would drop straight through the laboratory floor. Nothing on Earth can stop it. It would sink directly to the center of our planet, resting in the Earth's core. From there, it would silently, invisibly, begin to eat the Earth from the inside out. At first, we wouldn't feel a thing. But within days, massive earthquakes would shatter the globe as the core collapses. Within weeks, the oceans would boil, and the crust would be pulled into a swirling vortex. Earth would look like a hollow shell before completely disappearing into a silent, man-made void. Every single year, humanity builds more powerful lasers. We are pushing the boundaries of physics closer to the edge. We are unlocking the very power that runs the universe. But it leaves us with one haunting question. If advanced alien civilizations existed before us in the galaxy, did they already build these? Is it possible that dark matter, the invisible gravity holding our universe together, is actually the graveyard of trillion-year-old artificial black holes left behind by civilizations that pushed the button and paid the ultimate price? If you were offered a ticket on a starship powered by a black hole, knowing you could see the edge of the universe but might never return, would you step inside? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. If this journey into the dark side of physics kept you hooked, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Until next time, keep looking at the stars before they look back at you.